Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. I've got a fantastic episode lined up for you guys here today, and that is I bought a mystery or an untested PC from eBay for less than £40. I'm quite excited to see if it was actually worth the risk. Stay tuned. So in today's episode, we will be unpackaging, and then actually seeing what we've received and if it's actually, like I said, worth the risk. So let's get to it. If this guy ever sees this video, who sold me the PC, thanks man. This is really a ape style packaging. Okay, let's open it up and see if it's... Well, it just needs a bit of a clean. But yeah, otherwise than that, pretty standard small form factor PC. Okay, let's see on the inside. Foxconn cooler, which I'll probably put on some new thermal paste. I think the specs said 4 gigs of RAM. I'm not too sure. It's got 4 gigabytes of RAM, which is not bad. And then it's got an i3 3240. Not bad, not bad. I would say if this is not a small form factor and the graphics cards when they're so expensive to put in here, you could put in a decent, let's say 1050 Ti, small form factor. And yeah, you'd be able to run pretty much any game. Okay, so we got the PC, made sure it worked. I've got, whoops. I've got my 2 RAM sticks, 2 gigs, running at 1600. So I'm not too sure if this processor will like that, but we'll try. I might even overclock the current RAM, or I might declock that. I'll see. Then of course, I've got my stick to reload the Windows and my thermal paste. It's a bit of a waste to use this thermal paste on this PC. It's only an i3, but I might as well just put it on anyway. Okay, let's just make sure everything is picking up as is. I'm getting the full, 6 gigabytes of RAM. Fingers crossed. The repair on the USBs took a bit longer than what I thought. It looks like the cable structure is a bit different, but nonetheless, I got it done. It looks neat. It looks like, yeah, it just looks perfectly fine. I also want to reload this Windows, but first I want to test this USB and see if it's actually working. You can see there's not an SSD in here. Oh. But nonetheless, this PC will get an SSD. Let's go to Task Manager. Yay, it's picking up all our memory. That is fantastic. Now, is it picking up my flash drive? It is. Success. That is successful. Fabulous. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to reload this PC with my own version of Windows. It's just a thing that I do. I'm going to install a few games and yeah, let's have fun. So the first game I'm bringing for you guys is called CSGO. Remember, I'm not playing with a GPU, I'm also doing the recording from this PC. So if I get anything above 30 frames per second, I will be surprised. And it doesn't look too bad, to be honest. I had to turn all the graphics down, of course.
Let us go. Only one man left.
Okay, on to our next game. So this game you're all familiar with, and that's called GTA San Andreas. I thought this would be the best way to give this PC a fair shot at fighting, so let's see how far we can crank the graphics. Okay guys, so I apologize for this. However, San Andreas killed this PC. It's quite interesting to see what happened, and I'm not going to try and cut as many scenes as I can so you guys can see what was going on. So basically it started off with the mouse not working, then I had to start a new game, adjust the graphics, and by the time I did that and I actually got the mouse to work, the entire PC died. It just switched off, it didn't want to turn back on, and I'm going to try and fix it. However, by the time I'm going to launch this video, it is probably already too late to do another cutscene, so I hope you enjoyed this video with me. So that's a wrap for this episode, guys. I really hope you enjoyed it. I did enjoy making this video for you. I was a bit surprised when the PC died, especially in a game like GTA San Andreas. However, the PC was working overtime, utilizing RAM on its onboard, and I managed to lose 2 RAM sticks in the process. However, I replaced them. It's got its full 6 gigabytes of RAM now and back up and running as expected. As you can see, PC is working as normal, and this is not a gaming PC. It does not have a graphics card. So if you want to put in a small form factor graphics card in this box or in a box similar to this, be my guest, it will work just perfectly fine. However, when it comes to onboard graphics, recording and running the game at the same time will probably kill it. So thank you guys for watching, and I shall see you soon.